Hello traders, this is Umar with you. Hope you are all doing good. So now what? So as expected, as yesterday we were talking that 15,000 whenever the market is going to 15,900, it is reversing and hitting 15,700, and that has happened exactly. Now I am not trying to justify that I was right. We have been seeing this for the last 1 month. For the last 18 or 20 trading sessions, this is happening. Whenever the market tries to go above 15,800, VIX is shooting up and market is reversing. And whenever it is going below 15,700, same is happening, it is reversing. This is happening for the last 17, 18 or even 25 trading session. Market is not moving anywhere, it is in 15,800 only. So these are the tough time for option sellers. How do you expect an option seller to be very much profitable in this type of scenario? But still there are option sellers who are profitable in this scenario also. So why I am telling this is because when the VIX was very high, VIX was about 20, we used to get good option premium, and there was some luck for us to make some adjustment. Now VIX is very low, you are not getting option premium. Still market is moving violently up on 200 300 range, so it is very hard to trade this kind of market, right? So I was in a profit of around 15 or 16k in the morning, and when the market started to fall, so I was in a loss of 5,000 or 5,500 rupees. So morning I was in a profit of 16,000. So when the market came around 2:30, I was in a loss of 5,000. So that was an aggressive sell-off by I don't know, maybe institutions would have sold heavily. Even yesterday I told that for the last from July 1st till now, around 17 trading session, only 2 trading session FIIs were buyers. Apart from that, 15-16 trading session they were net sellers, and yesterday also they have sold for around 2,400 crores, and DIIs were bought for around 1,500 crores, and I strongly believe today also they would have sold aggressively, and maybe DIIs would have also sold in the market, right? So this is a very hard market, and only 2 more trading session to go, and I know many big traders. We have a group, so we chat, and everybody is struggling. Nobody has made a money in this month. So if you had made any money in this month, so be proud of yourself. You are a very smart guy, and let me know in the comment section below. As we told yesterday, without the support of FIIs, market is not going to go anywhere. You think whatever you want, markets are not going to go anywhere without the support of FIIs. Now people were telling that when the market was around 15,800 last week, they were saying, so corporate results are coming, it will take the market to 16,000 and above. And even in yesterday's video, there were comments that market will touch 16,000. Now you see, I am bearish and everybody was bullish, and how many times it is going to go to 15,900, and this is going to happen. Every time it is going to 15,900, it is reversing it. It is not able to sustain. You are not getting the support of FIIs. If it is going to 15,900, then if you get the support of FIIs, then it will go to 16,000 or 16,200. It will cross 16,000. But without the support of FIIs, you are not going to see 15,000 or 16,000 or 16,200 or any lifetime high. That is the current scenario. So let's see how things pan out, and Reliance Industry, it was not performing. It is down by around 1.15%, and in the banking pack, HDFC Bank was flat, ICICI Bank was flat. In fact, when you compare Nifty with Bank Nifty was not as low as Nifty. So Nifty was we saw a sharp sell-off in the Nifty, but Bank Nifty was not in that mood. So it was able to sustain above 35,000, I think 35,800 or 35,900. So that is a good thing when you compare it with Nifty. all these days Nifty was performing and Bank Nifty was not performing. Now Bank Nifty is performing and Nifty is not performing. So this is a kind of zigzag market. I think all retailers are confused where to do, what to do, how to do. So this is one kind of very tough kind of market situation. So I always tell retail people, I always tell subscribers, be careful when you trade in this kind of market situation. And as I told you, premiums are very low. We are not getting premium. At the same time, we have to pay the margin amount to our brokers. So it is better to stay away the market or try to do a hedged position, because in this type of scenario, market can, if this range is broken, let's say market is going to 15,900 and it breaks, then it is going to move violently on the upside. Same thing if it goes to 15,700 or 15,500 and if it breaks this range on the downside, market is going to move very violently on the downside. So either side, it has to break either side, and it has if it moves breaks this trend, which is 15,900 and 15,700, this tight range, then it is going to move violently on either side. So just be careful, always do a hedged position. Don't over trade. If you are in loss, just close your position and take some rest and come back to the market after some time. So this is what happened exactly last Wednesday, I think. Last Thursday it happened. So on a expiry day, market is moving violently. Bank Nifty shooted up around 400 or 500 points. Then before that, if you know, Bank Nifty was moving 1000 points in one trading session. So highly pathetic market. So I would tell everybody that just be careful. Markets are showing signs of loss of momentum. So you have to be careful before trading. So that's it for today. Take care. And what I see in the Dow is even now Dow futures are down by 150 points. So even but SGX Nifty is showing positive sign. It is up by around 15 or 20 points. So let's see, if we are getting global cues, we may be consolidating. So let's see what happens tomorrow. That's it for today. Take care. Bye.